Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn how to download and install DaVinci Resolve version 20.2.1. So just head over to Google and input DaVinci Resolve. Then you'll see DaVinci Resolve Blackmagic design. You click on this first result. So if this is your first time learning or visiting this website, I would advise you to read some of the information here to know actually if DaVinci Resolve is what you're looking for. But I can assure you, you will like what you see here. So we'll go down to the end of the page. Here we have the free version and the paid version. The paid version costs $295 and has so much features than the free version. But if you're new to DaVinci Resolve, it's good you start with the free version so that you will test some of its features. So I'm going to click on download. So here I'm going to choose my Windows version. I'm running on Windows, so I'm going to choose Windows x86. Now this is the DaVinci Resolve Studio, which is the paid, and this is the free. So I'm going to choose this. So it's going to ask me to input my email. So I'll just input my first name, last name, company email, phone number, country, street, city, state, zip code. Then I will say register and download, and that is all you need to do from this page. We have version 20.2.1. Let's go now and show you how to install it. I have been editing since 2014, and towards the end of last year I came across with DaVinci Resolve. I took a 4-hour video on DaVinci Resolve and I fell in love with DaVinci Resolve. So right now, the only thing I do with Adobe Premiere Pro is to reduce noise. After that, I import my clip to DaVinci Resolve, and that is all I use now for my editing. So if you check here, I have DaVinci Resolve version 20.2, but here is 20.2.1 available. So I'm going to uninstall this and install the new one. So let's go through this together. So to install this, I simply click on this and say uninstall. I'm going to say yes. So that is done. So it's time to install the new one. So I'm going to unzip. The only difference that I've seen so far is system requirement. DaVinci Resolve is more system hungry than Adobe Premiere Pro. So if this is one thing you can't afford, meaning if you have a low-end PC, you will always be good with Adobe Premiere Pro. But for you to get the best out of DaVinci Resolve, you need a high-end PC. Alright, we are done with that. So next, if I click on this, this is the free version. The paid version is DaVinci Resolve Studio. So you can always get this for free and begin your video editing career or whatever you want to use it for. So I'm going to right click and say run as admin. I'll say yes. So I have to say install. Now for those who don't know, if you have used Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects before, those two apps is combined into DaVinci Resolve. So DaVinci Resolve can do video editing and also VFX, 3D and more. You could also import a 3D file from Sketchfab and use it in DaVinci Resolve. These are some of the things I'll be showing you while I go through DaVinci Resolve, and also I'll be talking about DaVinci Resolve Studio later. So if you want to know about all these things I've mentioned, just subscribe to this channel and like my videos. That's all you need to do, and I'll go out there to make videos and tell you more about DaVinci Resolve and DaVinci Resolve Studio. So I'm going to say next, accept the terms and license agreement. Say next. Now I want this to be on my C drive. I say install. So I'm going to click on finish. Selection complete. I'll say okay, and that is it. So I'm going to launch DaVinci Resolve now. So I'm going to run as admin. Say yes. Alright, so I'm going to create a new project and call it new. So this is DaVinci Resolve. Now I have the previous one uninstalled before installing this version. So it took the settings from my previous version. So this is basically how to download and install DaVinci Resolve. For more DaVinci Resolve videos, subscribe to this channel and follow me by turning on the notification so that you get each video I drop here. That's all for this video, and I will see you on the next one.